Hi first grade friends, this is Mrs. Hannah. I'm here for lesson 15 and this is our foundational skills lesson video. Today we're going to practice our high frequency words with a game called What Am I Thinking? I will give you clues about one of the words and you will guess the word. Here are the words over on the side. Let's review before we start playing our game. The first word, any. More, done, pull, laugh, teacher, long, think. These are the words that we are going to use in our game called What Am I Thinking? I will give you clues about one of the words and you will guess the word. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. One of the letters is G. This word rhymes with calf. What word am I thinking of? Did you say laugh? I hope you did. Laugh has a G and it rhymes with calf. Awesome. Let's try another one. You can write these words down, or you can just look at those words and point to them as we are thinking of the clues. I'm thinking of another word that has 5 letters. It ends with the letter K. Look at all of your words. Which word rhymes with the letter K? You might know it by now. I'm going to give you one more clue. This word rhymes with ink. Did you say it? Think? Think is the word I'm thinking of. All right, try this one. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It starts with a P. Do you see it? It rhymes with wool. You're right, pull. The word is pull. I'm thinking of another word that has 4 letters. One of the letters is silent, and the word rhymes with one. Did you find it? It's done. Next, I'm thinking of a word that has 7 letters. Ooh, it even has 2 syllables, and it rhymes with bleacher. Did you guess thinking? Oh, that's the word thinking. Did you guess teacher? Sorry. Yes, bleacher and teacher. The word thinking doesn't rhyme with bleacher. That was my mistake. Next, I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It ends with 2 letters that stand for one sound. This word rhymes with wrong. Did you say long? Excellent. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It has 2 syllables, and this word rhymes with many. Any. Very good. I'm thinking of another word that has 4 letters, and one of them is silent. This word rhymes with store. It's our last one, more. Excellent job. Let's say our words just one more time. Any, more, done, pull, laugh, teacher, long, and think. Great job. Now let's play with the sounds in words. All right. If you will look at these pictures, I want you to blend the sounds I say to say each word. Then tell which picture matches the word. Look at the pictures under number 1 right here. My first word, listen to my sounds. D, E, S, K. Which picture matches the word you blended? Did you say the word desk? D-E-S-K. Desk. you should have pointed to this picture right here. Now look at the pictures under number 2. Listen to my sounds. R, a, t. Raft. Did you point to this picture right here? Excellent. That is a picture of a raft. Very good. All right. For this activity, I will say a word and you will say all the sounds you hear in the word and count the sounds. I will move the right number, except I don't think it moves. Oh, yep, it doesn't move. So we'll just say which number goes in each box, okay? So the first word is wet. Say the sounds in wet. Did you say w, et? If you did, you heard 3 sounds, so the number 3 would go in this box. The second word is west. Say the sounds in west. Did you say the sounds w, e, s, t? I hope you did. I heard 4 sounds in that word, so the number 4 would go here. Next, I want you to change a sound to say a new word. Then tell which picture matches the word you say. Look at the pictures under number 1. These 2 pictures right here. Change grr in great to g. Which picture matches the new word you said? I hope that you said this bottom one, which is the word gate. Now look at the pictures under number 2. Change the ul in bell to ult. Which picture matches the new word you said? I hope you said the one on the top, because that is the picture of a belt. Well done. Great job on our video today.